Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna be unboxing the Cars 3 garage. Here it is. I'm so sorry I'm not uploading a lot of videos, but here's a new one. Let's open it. Here's the cars, guys. We have Lightning McQueen, Jackson Storm, I don't know. We have Cruz and Mirrors. Okay, now I'm gonna build it. Let's open. My sister's gonna help me. Let's build it.
Thousand years later.
Okay, guys, we will be back later. Bye.
Nice.
Okay, guys, we're almost done, but now we're gonna do a little bit. My sister's gonna cut this picture from the box. See you guys later. My sister's cutting it now. Okay, guys, we're done cutting it. Now we're gonna put this cut here. Okay, guys, now I'm gonna show you the big montage. Let's go.
Montage.
Okay, guys, I hope you like the video. Make sure to comment down below. Subscribe to the channel. Turn on the notification bell and